Hello friend, Satish Tiwari here from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today we are going to learn how to add Google AdSense code inside your Blogger website. Okay, so if you have designed your website on bloggerspot.com or blogger.com, how you can add the Google AdSense code in that header tags. Okay, so you have to go to their Blogger settings. First go to the settings. Here you can see here settings. Okay, so this is the Blogger settings, and here you can see the publisher ID and all these things displayed here. You can go to the settings, and remember you have to add the code inside your theme. Okay, so remember you have to add the code inside your theme, and that code must be added inside the header tag. So go to the themes. Inside the theme, you click here and click on edit HTML. Inside edit HTML, you can see here the header tag. So you just press here Control F, and you can see the search bar, and then search for header tag. Okay, and you can see the header tag. This is the header tag. Okay, so just below the header tag, you can paste your code. I have already pasted that code. It will look something like this. You can see this script code. Okay, so this is the script code I have already pasted. But from where you can get this code, you have to go to your AdSense account. Okay, so let's go to AdSense. Okay, sign in. Once you sign in, you can go to your ads here. Okay, you can see ads here. When you see ads, you can see ads is on, and you can click on here get the code. So click on this get the code, and then copy this code, or just click on copy, and then go to your this page, and below header tag you have to paste it. I have already pasted this. You can see this line. I have already pasted this line. You have to paste this code inside here, just below the header tag. Okay, and that's all done. You just paste this code and done. Now the ads will be visible. You have applied the ads on your Blogger. So if you are using Blogger, go to the theme. Okay, where you have to go? Go to the theme, edit HTML, and just below head you have to paste it. I hope you guys understand how to implement or how to add Google AdSense code inside the head tags of a Blogger website. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you.